In this lecture, let's discuss some of the methods offered by jQueryUI's Datepicker. So we are going to discuss 4 methods in this lecture. They are show, hide, getDate and setDate. So setDate can be used to set the selected date when we open the Datepicker itself, and getDate is used to get the selected date. Show is used to show the Datepicker and hide is used to hide the Datepicker. So first let us start with setDate. So $#calendar.datepicker, as it is a method, we need to put it within double quotes. So setDate is the name of the method. Let me set the date as 08/21/2016. Let's see. So this is our web page. Let me refresh. See, 8/21/2016 is selected. So if I click inside, it is shown in green color, which means it is selected. And I can select any other date if I want, so it will be changed. Again, if I refresh, that is when the page is loaded, this will be the selected date. That is the date we set using setDate method. Now we can use the hide and show methods to hide the Datepicker and also to show the Datepicker. So what we can do is we can add 2 buttons, button ID equals btn show, and let the text be show, and similarly let's add button for hide as well. So btn hide and hide. Now on the click of btn show, let's call the method show, and on the click of btn hide, let's call the method hide. So how we need to write it? $#btn show dot click, and within that I need to add a function. So function, open and close parenthesis, open and close curly braces, and within this what should I do? Let me copy this, okay, and write show. This is the name of the method. And similarly for hide as well we need. So let me copy, paste, change this to hide, and we need to call the hide method, right? So let me save, refresh. Show and hide buttons are there. Let me click show. See, the Datepicker is displayed. Let me click hide. See, it is hidden. So we have used 3 methods now. They are setDate, show and hide. We have one more, that is getDate. Now along with these 4 methods, let me also explain 3 options. They are onSelect, onClose and onChange month year. So we have already seen the onSelect in a previous lecture. So the onSelect will be executed when a date is selected. OnClose will be executed when the Datepicker is about to close, and the onChange month year will be executed when the month or year is changed. So those 3 are options actually. So what we can do within this, let me first write for onSelect, and we will get the selected date and also the Datepicker instance as the parameters, but I am not going to use that. Here what I am going to do is I am going to use the getDate method. So let me create a variable like where selected date equals, how I can get it? I can call the getDate method, right? So let me paste it and use the getDate method. In fact, we can directly get it using the date here itself, because this function will have 2 parameters. They are date as a string and the Datepicker as an instance. So here to illustrate this getDate method, I am not using that. I am directly calling the getDate method. And let me just try to alert the date selected is, then selected date. Okay. Now let's see whether we are getting the output or not. Let me refresh. Let me click inside. Let me select a date like 23rd. See, we are seeing the date selected is TUE, that is Tuesday, AUG for August 23, 2016. That is the full date format. Suppose instead of this, if I use date string, what will happen? We will get the date in the perfect format, that is DDYY format. Let me click, select 19th. See, the date selected is 08/19/2016. So here I was just showing you the get date method, okay, to get the selected date. Now we have two more options. One is on close, which will be called when the date picker is closed. So let me just display a message like the date picker is about to close. Okay, now let's see, save, refresh, let me show, let me hide. See, the date picker is about to close and it is closed. Now one more is remaining, it is on change month year. This will be called when the month or year is changed. So on change month year, it will have three parameters. In fact, they are year, then the month. The month will be a number from 1 to 12 and also the date picker instance. So year, month, comma, date picker. Okay. And within this, what we can do? We can just display alert month number will be month, which will be available as an argument. Then plus, let me display it in a new line. So /n, then year, it will be year. That is this year. Okay. And let's see the output. Let me refresh. Month number is 8 because it is August. Year is 2016. Okay. Let me click show and change this to September. See, month number is 9, which is September, and year is 2016. If you want to see the month itself, what you can do? We can create an array, month array, and enter the values in this. Let me enter from January to December. Okay, now this month array has the names of months, and here what I can do? I can specify month ARR of month -1. Why -1? Because month is a number from 1 to 12. So if the month is January, we need to get month array of 0, but the value of month will be 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Let's save. Let me refresh. See, month number. Okay, it is now showing month number. Now it is month. Okay, save, refresh. This month is August, year is 2016. Let me change it to September. Now month is September, year is 2016. Okay, so in this lecture we have seen 4 different methods and 3 different options. The methods are show, hide, get date and set date. Show is used to show the date picker, hide to hide the date picker, set date is used to set the selected date, and get date is used to get the selected date. Then we have also seen 3 different options. In fact, date picker widget does not offer any events. So these 3 options are actually working like events, right? So on select will be called when a date is selected. On close is called when the date picker is about to close. And on change month year is called when the month or year in the date picker is changed. So these are the different methods and options discussed in this lecture.